All right, so far we've made a change to heading 1 by centering it. We've made a change to the body by putting a background color. Make sure you do both of those things. And then we've been playing with this paragraph that we've identified, these 2 paragraphs. So I want you in yours to be able to set a visible border, a background, a visible padding and margin on these paragraphs, as well as right align it. So do all of those things on yours. And then let's go ahead and let's change some style on our A-links. Now notice that A-links come with style. So we haven't added any, and we have underline, we have color. So we've got lots of style on these A-links. And that is because by default, A tags have style. So we're going to go in and change that by saying, okay, well, we want on our A tag, let's go ahead and see what we want. So let's get rid of the underline, and that value is text decoration. So let's change text decoration to none and see what happens. It's already, by default, it's set to underline on A tags. And so there, notice that we got rid of both of those. Okay, now notice how this one is blue and these ones are purple. That's the difference between a visited link and not. So this one has not been visited yet. So this is just a standard link and this one's visited. Let's go ahead and change the color. So that's a blue color, which is the default value. But let's set it to our color. A blue color that comes from our palette. So let's go up here and let's choose a bold blue and make that down there so it's still blue, but it's our blue. And refresh. And there we got a blue that matches our colors more, so we see it. Okay. And now let me show you how to do visited. Okay, so it changed the color, and now if I click on this one and I come back, it set it on all of them, and it didn't, and made them no different. So they're exactly the same whether it's visited or not. So another way that we can use a selector, and this is commonly done with A tag. So this is our basic A tag. I'm going to make another style rule for A tags that are visited. And the way I do that is A:visited. Okay? And now this will be for one and this will be for another. So let's say, well, once we visited, let's go ahead and make it, what's another color we can use? Let's just make it red so it's really visible. Do you remember what red is? 0, 0, 0, 0, red, green, blue, remember? So we're going to do this so it's really visible. And those, now notice, they've already been visited, and as soon as we put that style, they show up as red. Okay, that's not a great color. Should we not do that? That's why we stick with our color, coordinated color code. So let's go ahead and make it, once they're visited, let's go ahead and make it our bold 10. And pick a number that's, all right. So go ahead and change your links so they're not underlined. Oh, that is exactly the same color. We don't want links that don't show up, even after they've been visited, because that makes them really, really hard to see. So we want to make sure we have some color that really shows up. And we might have to go get another color, add another color to our palette. We only have 2 colors here. This is a complementary color to each other, so they're across the color wheel, and then a variety of shades with them. So there, that shows up. So we want our links to show up. That makes them meaningful. So we got rid of the underline. We gave them a different color when they're brand new and a different color when they're visited. So go ahead and make changes to your hyperlink as well. So make those changes on yours. You don't have to do them exactly like mine, but make sure that you have some border and really visible padding and margins that you can see.